Today I'm going to talk to you about the demographics account in Google Analytics and how to set this up. Okay, so basically what is the demographics account? So demographics account helps you keep track of the age and gender of your visitors on the site. It also keeps track of the audiences, types of audiences such as in-market segments, affinity categories, and other categories. So let me show you first how to view the demographics. First, you need to go to audiences on the left hand side, click on demographics, then click on overview. So then you will get the data like this. You will have age, then you will have gender. Okay, so now if you want a bit more details about age, you will just click here, then it will give you all the stats of the age, so all on the age group. So you can see based on the age group what are how many users you're getting, what are the bounce rate based on the users, what are their revenue, so you can know based on their revenue which has the highest e-commerce conversion rate. So looking at this data, which I have taken from Google Merchandise Store, from the date range of November 1st to November 30th, we see that the highest conversions come from the age group of 25 to 34. Okay, from this one. So if we want to see only that data here, all we need to do is just untick here and click on plot row. So this will show us only the stats for age group of 25 to 34. This has the highest conversion rate. Okay, then say for example, if we want to see another age group, the ones which have the lowest conversion rate, which is 65 and above. So we click on that and then click on plot row. So we will see the comparison between the highest and the lowest. Okay, so sometimes when it gives an error like this and it doesn't show the thing, all you need to do is just click on refresh. It will start showing. Okay, let it load and we will see the data. Mm, yeah, see, now it starts showing. So when you do mouse over, it will show you the stats. So based on the different dates. So we see for Saturday and Sunday, there is a drop in users. Okay, Saturday and Sunday, always Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so like this, we can do a lot of different things, compare the data and see. We can choose users, you can choose e-commerce conversion rate, you can choose bounce rate, you can choose whatever stats you want and we'll show you. So for now, I will show you e-commerce conversion rate. We'll click on that. Okay, so now you will see the e-commerce conversion. Again, if it gives an error like this, whenever you do a mouse over and the data doesn't show, no problem, just click on refresh. It will start showing. Okay. E yes, so now it's showing. So you see, whenever you do a mouse over, again it will show the data. So based on this, you can know what is your conversion rate based on the age and gender. So if you can see, maybe we'll take this one. Say for the 20th, 65 and above has got an 80% conversion rate, whereas 25 to 34 has got just 0.44%. Okay, so like that you can compare, you can see, even see the week, how they are performing based on the week, which week is performing well. You can see based on the month also, how much for that full month it has done. Okay, so now we can also see gender. So we'll, on the left hand side, we'll click on gender. So now it will show you based on gender. So based on gender for this date range, we see that the males have highest revenue. Okay, but the female has got a higher average session duration. Okay, so like that we can compare stats, so now how we have for demographic, we also have for interest. So we click on interest and go to overview. We see the different interests which have been tracked. So for this account and this date range, we see that shoppers, value shoppers, have the highest affinity categories. Then for in-market, we see business services, advertising and marketing services for in-market. And then other categories are there which have the highest is arts and entertainment, TV and a video. So like this, we can check a lot of these things. So if we want, say, to see affinity categories, we click on affinity. So it will show us the stats for affinity categories. These are all the different affinity categories and what are the revenue they contribute. Okay. So now if, because it has been activated for these for this account, both the stats are showing. If it is not activated for this account, then it will appear like this. So I'm going to this account. See, it will appear like this. Demographics will appear empty and interest will appear empty. So now to enable this, what we need to do is, first thing we need to do is we need to go to admin, click on admin at the bottom left, then go to your particular property that you want to activate it for, click on property settings. Once you click on property settings, you come down and you click on enable demographics and interest report. Click here. Once you click on activate, you come down, click on save. Okay. Once it's saved, then you go back again to audiences, go to demographics, click on overview. And once you come here, it has started tracking. Now this data will start tracking from the time you activate it. So I have activated it today. So from today onwards, it will start tracking. It will not show me the previous data. So maybe after some time, we can come and see how the demographics and the interests are tracking. So if you have any questions regarding the demographics data and interest data and how to activate it, please let me know. Thank you.